Hello and welcome to all of you to this Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies of the Savitribai Phule Pune University, which is located in the city of Pune in the state of Maharashtra in India. This is a unique department. It was established on 20th July 2006 to mark the 2550th anniversary of the parinirvana of the Lord Buddha. Another important occasion which was marked by this department is the 50th anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's historic embrace of Buddhism with his millions of followers. The department is a vibrant center of Buddhist studies all over India. It offers you a wonderful opportunity to study Pali as well as Buddhist Sanskrit and allied subjects. So, we take a holistic approach in the study of Buddhism, and this really makes our department very special. We have wonderful faculty members, as well as we have wonderful facilities here in terms of very good library and other student facilities offered by the university centrally. The department is unique as it offers altogether 16 programs, of which 12 diplomas in various subjects and 2 MA programs in Pali and 2 MA programs in Buddhist studies. The 2 MA programs include one regular MA program which is of 2 years duration, and recently we have started a 5 years integrated MA program which will give you a very thorough training in Buddhist studies and Pali language and literature. One more important feature, and I think this really makes the department outstanding, is the Kensei Foundation Visiting Professorship Program. In 2015, with the kind support of the Kensei Foundation, the department established a visiting professorship program where the scholars from the field of Buddhist studies they visit the department and offer specialized courses based on their own area of research. Now, these courses are over and above our regular courses which we teach here. Now, this Kensei Foundation Visiting Professorship Program really offers a good exposure to our students and faculty members at as it gives them the opportunity to interact with scholars of international repute. Recently, we have started some new programs which I would like to share with you, and they include a postgraduate diploma in Buddhist Heritage and Tourism, which we started in collaboration with Deccan College Postgraduate and Research Institute, Pune, which is well known for its work in the area of archaeology, lexicography, and linguistics. So, this course offers a very good opportunity for students to build their careers in the field of Buddhist heritage and tourism. Another important course which we have started this year is a postgraduate diploma in Ambedkar Buddhism, which actually brings the study of Ambedkar and especially his journey and approach to Buddhism in the field of academics. We have also started a diploma program in classical Tibetan language, wherein we will train aspirant students to become translators, trained professional translators from Tibetan into any modern language of the world. Apart from this, in our old programs which we have been running for last several years, I would like to mention our course in socially engaged Buddhism, wherein we try to explore the possibilities of how we can apply Buddhist principles in the field of social work. One more important area, and which is again an important area because it's thriving really very much with the kind support of the WCCL Foundation and the Deer Park Institute in Himachal Pradesh. We are offering a postgraduate diploma in applied Mahayana Buddhist psychology and ethics. This is an applied program in Buddhist psychology, which trains you in applying the Buddhist principle in your day-to-day life, and also to help you in your health professions. We have another course which is called postgraduate diploma in the Theravada Buddhist psychology and psychotherapy, which looks at the Theravada aspects of Buddhist psychology, And this course also kind of helps mental health professionals, educators, entrepreneurs to really apply this Buddhist wisdom in their own professions, and to make their professions more holistic in terms of their approach. They also help people to kind of transform their own lives and to become more organized, better organized, and mentally sound people. So these are the courses which we offer, and I'm really happy to share them with you. And I hope that you can join us on this journey, because our admissions are open right now, and I would like to share with you that our admission process is on till 4th of July with regular fees, and with late fees till 10th of July. You can go to our website and register yourself for these courses. For any further details, you can really visit our Facebook page and also our website. So I invite you all to join on this journey together with us. This is an exciting world of Buddhist studies, and I'm sure that you will certainly benefit from our courses which we offer. So please join. Thank you very much.